Hello guys, today we're the Melon Playground playing Crash Part 1. Enjoy mo na!
What's that weird noise? I saw that dark shadow watching us for a long time. We have to get out of
Well,
here.
I've seen it a long time.
First, can you show us what he looks like? This is him. We'll do our best to find
The
him.
lightning is the thunderstorm.
Someone's gone missing in our forest. Has anyone seen this person? I've never seen him before.
To the left, to the right, and the landing gear
Don't be scared. I'll protect you.
up.
Think you can escape me? Not that easy. Only weaklings
Play
run away.
Taki Airlines. Those.
You won't take my friend again. I'll find you all, no matter what.
Oh no, the lightning.
Thank you for saving us. We need to find the key first.
The lightning strike.
That means just one more key and we can get out of here. I found you. Take Ballerina and go first. I'll hold him off. He's too dangerous. Don't worry, I've got this.
Oh no, this is.
Tung 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 Sahur is eliminated.
We shouldn't have joined this game.
Tung Tung saved us. If we quit now, it's like betraying him.
You're right. We have to win this.
The tornado.
Where did they all go?
What do we do? He's getting so close.
Look at me. I'll distract him. You run.
I can't. I just can't.
No, no.
You're our only hope. Go.
You're the twisting. Oh no.
Hurry, I have to save the others.
Cappuccino Assassino is eliminated.
They all did it for me. It's all my fault. I'm so weak.
You're the last one, and you will be eliminated. Quick, I'll make the final one.
Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.